Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix your cannot receive calls on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on again settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. Reset all settings, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reinsert SIM card. Remove SIM tray and clean with the help of tissue paper. After clean, again insert SIM tray. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix your cannot receive call on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.